Gusto mo ba ng malinaw na audio without spending too much? I tested this wireless mic from Ulanzi, and honestly, I didn't expect this level of quality. But it is actually worth it or hype lang? Hi guys, this is Vin Echo and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're doing a review of the Ulanzi A100 wireless lavalier microphone. Perfect to for content creators, vloggers, interviews, even Reels and TikTok. So let's see kung kaya ba niya makipagsabayan sa mga mas mahal na mics. First impressions and features. Unang tingin pa lang, compact siya. Very portable, hindi bulky. Madaling dalhin kahit saan, and what I like is dual mic setup na siya. So may 2 transmitters, 1 receiver, perfect for interviews or collab shoots. Plug and play din, walang app, walang hassle. Saksak mo lang sa phone or camera, ready ka na agad mag-record. Plus, may kasama siyang charging case. So easy to store and charge on the go. Okay, so ito na. Audio test. Okay, so ito na yung audio test. So right now, I am using the Ulanzi A100 and I noticed na omnidirectional siya. So meaning na kahit gumagalaw ka, nauuli niya pa rin yung voice mo clearly. And meron din siyang noise reduction. Nare-reduce niya yung noise pag nasa labas ka. Alright, mic check. So lumabas ako para i-testing yung quality nitong audio ng Ulanzi A100 dito sa kalsada. So nasa likod ko is talagang kalsada. So naririnig niyo siguro yung ingay ng mga sasakyan o yung mga dumadaan sa likod. Pero since meron siyang noise reduction, so pag kinilik niyo yung button niya, pag nagkulay green, ito na yung noise reduction. So I think mas tahimik siya kaysa dun sa kanina. So for you, okay ba yung noise reduction niya? Sa connections, gumagamit siya ng 2.4 GHz wireless transmission, so stable siya and low latency. Range niya is around 20 meters, which is more than enough for vlogging or interviews. And yung distance ko sa cellphone ko, I think mga 5 meters or 6 meters away. So, ang distance nito is hanggang 20 meters away. So, lalayo pa ako ng konti. So, para ma-check natin kung bumibitaw ba hindi. Ayan. Lakad-lakad ako. So, malayo-malayo na ako. So mic check, test mic, 1, 2, 3, hello. Battery life, solid din. You can get hours of recording and with the charging case, kaya niyang mag-last even longer for the whole day shoots. So, hindi ka na agad mag-worry na mauubusan ka ng baterya or mauubusan ka ng battery during the mid-shoot. Another good thing, compatible siya sa halos lahat. Works with smartphones, cameras, laptops na may Type-C and 3.5 and optional, pwede mo na siyang gamitin sa mga naka-iPhone or yung may lighting charger. So kahit anong setup mo, most likely gagana siya. Let's talk about the pros and cons. Here are the pros. Dual mic siya, so perfect siya for interviews, plug and play, super easy gamitin, clear audio plus noise reduction, compact with charging case, and affordable. Here are the cons. Build is not super premium, not for high-end professional shoot, limited advanced control. Okay? So for you, pass or buy ba this kind of wireless lavalier mic ni Ulanzi? So if you are a beginner, content creator, or daily vlogger, this is actually a solid mic for you. You get the good audio, wireless freedom, and convenience without spending too much. So if you are planning to upgrade your audio setup, the Ulanzi A100 is definitely worth checking out. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you on the next one.
Every click, a story grows. In every frame, your true self shows. Light and shadows, pause and real. Capture moments that we feel.